video, we're going to show you how we made this photography backdrop using IOD stamps and a piece of paneling.
For our backdrop, we just used a piece of paneling from the box store. We used 3 different Iron Orchid design stamps: the large distress, the distressed edges, and the chippy paint stamp. We used paint and a foam roller. I used the long, thin, chippy paint stamp right along the grooves of the wainscoting to really make it look like paint chipping off old paneling. By holding the stamps vertically and laying them along the grooves of the wainscoting, you really got the look of old chippy paint on paneling. The last stamp we used was the large distress. When you use a large distress stamp, you don't want to take the stamp, fill it with paint, and then just press it into your design. But you want to allow small parts of it to be stamped a little at a time. You do this by kind of tickling over the surface without pressing completely, moving your stamp, tickling a little more, and never really pressing the whole stamp all at once. That way you get a more natural distressed wood look. A 4x8 sheet of plywood was a large undertaking, but we are super happy with the results.
Hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to see more DIY videos, just subscribe below.